Today we're going to install the factory style running boards from Ionic Automotive on this 2019 new body style GMC Sierra crew cab. Now this is the same install as a Chevy Silverado. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're starting on the driver's side. We're underneath the truck, just behind the front tire. So we're going to come back along that rocker panel. Down below we're going to see we've got a plug in the bottom of the rocker panel. Up top we've got another plug directly above that one. We're going to pop those plugs out. Now, if you've had running boards on here before, plugs are probably not going to be here because they were probably using the factory holes. All right, next we're going to find our bracket. All the brackets are exactly the same. We're going to line them up to the holes, use the supplied bolt, lock washer, and flat washer, and just finger tight put those into place for right now. Don't tighten them down all the way because we still want to be able to adjust this bracket a little bit. Now, as we come back along the rocker panel, we're going to find a second set of holes with plugs in them. We're going to skip that and go to our third set of holes that have plugs in them. Pop those plugs out and install the next bracket just the exact same way you did the last one. And moving back, we're going to come back to our fourth set of factory holes, remove those plugs, and we're going to use that location just like we did the first two. As you come to the very end of your cab, you've got two more sets of holes. Now you can use either of these two sets. Some trucks we've found don't have threads in one of these two locations. We've got them in both, and for the sake of this video, we're going to go to the very last location, pop out the plugs, and install a bracket the same way we've done all the rest of them. Now we're going to go ahead and take a running board and flip it upside down. On the bottom, we're going to see a couple of tracks that run side to side in the board. What we'll do is we'll take our other pack of hardware that has just bolts and nuts in it. We'll take 4 bolts and slide them into each one of the tracks. We'll space those bolts evenly. Now we're going to go ahead and take the board and set it on top of the brackets. Once the board's on the brackets, go ahead and line the bolts up to the brackets and let them drop down through the holes in the brackets. Once we adjust the board front to back on the truck to make it exactly where we want it, we can go ahead and attach the serrated flange nuts to the bottom of the bolts coming through the brackets and then tighten those down with a 1/2-inch wrench or ratchet. Once that's done, go ahead and tighten down the brackets to the body of the truck using a 13mm. Now we can go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.